Alright guys, so today we are going to be using the Patrick Ta brow product that he came out with, and I got the tinted shade. As you guys can see, I've already used it, and I wanted to use it before I filmed a video because I needed to figure out how to make it work for me. So first of all, I'm just going to use the brush. I also purchased a brush, and comb my brows up, and I'm going to go in with my Dip Brow by Anastasia. If you have fuller brows, you don't need to do this, but because you guys know I don't have much, I still need to go in and fill them in beforehand. If you are somebody that is looking for this product to fill in your brow and give you, more realistic looking brow, it's not going to happen. This product does not have enough tint to actually fill in your brow. However, if you are somebody that has more brow than me, this will do the trick. So it just depends on what you're trying to achieve. I filled in my brows with my Dip Brow pomade, as you guys saw, and it's the one that comes in the little tube. Once I'm done filling in the brow, I like to just take the brush and then comb it through my brow hair. Again, this gives me some definition, so it looks like my brow is more natural than what it really is. The reason why I purchased this product is because I wanted to add some more definition to my brow. No one wants more natural looking brows than me, okay? I realize that my eyebrows do not look perfect, do not look real. I understand that, but I hardly have hair, so I'm doing the best that I can with what I have. So I outlined my brow, I combed the brow gel through it. Again, looks more realistic than what I used to do in the past, and this is the evolution of my brows, guys. When I saw this product, I thought, okay, this is going to be it. This is what's going to give me definition. This is what's going to make my eyebrows look real. It doesn't deposit a ton of color, and you kind of have to let your brow product set. Okay, if you use a powder, this isn't going to work. I would say use this first and go in with whatever products you use. If you use Dip Brow and you have no brows like me, then this is going to be what I found to be the best option, I should say. I'm going to take my Evian water and spray the product, okay? I'm going to work the spoolie end through this. I'm going to evenly coat each side, like so. And I am going to start combing my brow hairs with this product. When I first tried this, this is now the third time I use it, I found that it was removing my Dip Brow, which is why I'm telling you guys that if you use Dip Brow or anything similar to it, you have to let it dry, because otherwise it will wipe it off. But all I'm doing is combing this through the brow, and it adds texture. It almost looks like it adds like a layer. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I know he said that you want to let it dry, otherwise you get this like film. But for me, whatever is building that texture, I like, because it makes my eyebrow look fluffy. It makes it look more realistic. I really like this product. So I'm going to go ahead and take some more and just do another layer of it. And just make sure that everything is nice and in place. I also like this color because it just softens my brow color. Instead of looking like really dark, it looks a little warmer, a little softer. So I really like it. I am going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and we're gonna chit chat about this. All right, guys, so I really like this product. I think it's a beautiful product because it does add texture and dimension to my brows. It looks very 3D, like my brows are laid flat, they're in place, but they look fuller. The only thing I would do at this point, and I know some of you guys are gonna say, well, what's the point of using both products, is I'd go in with my dip brow again, just to add more color to it, because after it's dried, I feel like it looks a little bit more taupey than brown. See the difference? This one's just slightly deeper. It doesn't interfere with the product. My dip brow and Patrick Ta play well together. I'm going to continue to use this, and I will probably continue to repurchase it, and I'll tell you why. I don't have brows. You guys see, you know that. This product, again, gives me like a real brow effect. I like that. I like that my brows look real. I like that they look fluffy. I like that they're in place and that they look 3D. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just looks real. So I am going to continue to use this product. I think he did a great job with this. I think that if you are somebody that has fuller brows, you're going to love this because it's really going to place them. It's really going to hold. I wore this all day yesterday and I didn't have any problems with it fading or looking unnatural, or they looked good. So I am going to continue to use this product. I recommend it. I really like it. I do find that I do really like it. I love the effect. I love that my brows look bushy and real, and that it just gives me another texture to play with. I know some of you guys are probably thinking, well, why would you use, you know, several products? Well, because I want to look like I have real brows. That's why. That's really what it comes down to. I don't want to look like I have harsh, drawn on Sharpie brows. I want my brows to look soft and fluffy and real. And I do really like the effect I'm getting from this. So I encourage you guys to try it out. I think you're going to love this. Again, if you are a man and you have, you know, unruly bushy brows, you're going to love this. I think if you're a woman, it doesn't matter who you are, really, you're gonna love this product. If you are somebody that just naturally has perfect brows that fall into place, and you're not going to see a purpose for this. If you are someone, again, that is looking to fill in a little bit, groom them, hold them in place, you're going to love the product. It does stay on. It's beautiful. It's a great product. So I'm very happy with my purchase. I really was hoping that it would fill in and hold them in place. But it doesn't really fill in a ton. I still need to go in with dip brow. I'm okay with that. I love my feathery brows. I love them. All right, guys, I hope you found this helpful. Please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and let me know if you guys are going to be picking this up. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.